Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. Today it's just going to be a short one, and that's why it's screen captured, but we're basically going to be looking, or not looking, but more explaining if you have, obviously, like FTTP, which is fibre to the property, so like full speed fibre, and you're getting poor speeds, even etherneted into your rig. I'm just going to show you a quick thing to change to see if it works. It's usually one of the most common things, but it's quite hidden in the settings, so a lot of people don't know about it. So I'll just run a quick speed test on mine now. I get 910 meg down and about 110 up, which is with EE. So run a test, we should get around 910. Something like that. Yeah, so as you can see, it's now 910, 920, 930. So we're getting slightly over what we pay for. Yeah, so 943.09 down, and then it should pretty much hover around the 110 up. Now, the whole reason I'm doing this video is all night, the night that I'm recording this video, I have had nothing but trouble with the internet, with it constantly disconnecting, and then when I get it to stay connected, the ping being outrageously high. And I'd turned the router off, turned it back on, pulled the Ethernet out of the back of the PC, plugged it back in, restarted the system. Nothing was working. I even checked EE to see if they were down in any way. It wasn't until I fired up the other half's PC and ran a speed test on that and found she was getting full speed that I was kind of like, well, what's happening here then? Because you're getting full speed, mine wasn't. And when I say mine wasn't, you've just seen the speed test there, the results there, 943 meg down. I was getting, and this is no word of a lie, I was getting 5.1 meg down and 10 kilobytes up. And my ping, which is the green arrow here, the download ping, that's your upload ping, that was, the highest I seen it go was 1,100 ping, but it was hovering around the 900 mark. So the thing you want to do if you're having trouble like me with internet speed, and you might want to do it anyway, just because it's better for your system, I think. But basically, if you go down here, you type in device manager. If you go to network adapters, and then yours might not be a Realtek Gaming 2.5 gig, it depends on your motherboard and everything. But whatever it is, if you right click on it, you click properties, go to the advanced tab at the top, and then what you want to do is scroll down until you see speed and duplex. Click on that. A lot of time this is on automatic, and they tell you to keep it on automatic. But I had mine set to auto, and that's where I was getting the bad speed. I switched it to 2.5 gig, pressed OK, which I'm not going to do because it would mean me doing a restart, but switched it to 2.5 gig, pressed OK, and then restarted the system, and it was completely fine. It went straight back to normal. Straight back to me getting this speed here and this upload, whereas before when it was on auto I was getting 5 meg down a second. So just thought I'd do a quick video on it. So like I said, I'll run through it one more time. So search device manager, find your network adapter, right click properties, advanced, speed and duplex, and then 2.5 gig full duplex. Obviously it depends on your internet speed at your home as well. Some people have stupidly fast internet, some people still have slow internet, especially if you live in the middle of nowhere. But yeah, if you're having any problems with your internet or the speed on your PC, but you find like it's fine on your phone or fine on an Xbox or another system or a tablet or whatever, but your PC's suffering, go and do what I just showed you there. And like I said, hit the 2.5 gig of the drop down box, then click OK, then restart your system, and then when it boots back up again, go and run another speed test, and you'll probably find your speed fine again. So yeah, I thought I'd just do a quick video on it for anyone possibly having any trouble with fibre speeds. But yeah, another thing just before I let you go, well, two things. One, you might have seen at the top of the page, obviously, I did have a Patreon for this channel. Now, Patreon's a bit, I don't really like Patreon because you kind of have to, people that want to donate, they kind of have to sign up to pay it monthly, and I don't like that. So I scrapped the Patreon and set up a Buy Me a Coffee. Now, I'm not expecting a lot of donations, if any, from like the people that watch my channel more, because I'm only a small channel. Like, it's kind of one of them. I have had a donation on it already, but I set it up more in case any of you feel like wanting to donate. The thing about Buy Me a Coffee is you can donate whatever amount you want, and you don't have to do it monthly. You can tick a box under the donation box, so it does come out monthly if you wanted to do a monthly subscription. But otherwise, you can just do a one-off subscription of like 10p, £1, £2, all the way up to whatever you want, basically. So I just thought I'd do that. The link to that is at the top of the channel in the blue, just under the description. And then after the second thing is, I just want to say, anyone watching this video, if this video helps anybody out or anything like that, can you please hit the subscribe button, because the channel is on target to become monetized this year, but that's only for the watch hours that I need. Obviously, for first step monetization, we need 500 subs, and obviously I'm not really close to that yet. So if anyone watching this video wouldn't mind subscribing, then please do, because it would help out massively. And yeah, I'll just leave the video there for now then, guys. We'll have some more content coming up in the next couple of days to the next couple of weeks. So yeah, thanks for watching, take care, and I'll catch you all in the next one.